So, it's standard students, since our course portion, Alhamdulillah, has got over, lessons, poems, everything has been done, finished. Now we will focus on writing skills, and in writing skills, especially today we are going to target letter writing and writing skills. Now my first question is, what do you mean by letter? So means letter means A, B, C. This means letter. We have got in English 26 letters that makes the English alphabet. But here, right now, we are talking about letter in another sense. We are talking about we are talking in terms of communication. That means letter that is written in order to communicate with people, with your friends, and how you are connecting with the people. Accordingly, we define letters in two categories. We write letters to two different types of people. If you are writing it to office people, institutional people, and some official work, then we will call that letter as official letter. So you are communicating with the people, those who have some designation, then those type of letters we call as official letter, or we can call them as formal letter. And what is another category of letter? The letter that you write to common people, your friends, relatives, father, mother, in society. They are called as social letters. Or informal letter. Like how this is formal, this is informal letter. So you have two types of letters now, depending upon to whom you are writing. One, official letter, or you can say formal letter. The next, another one is social letter or informal letter. And now what will we do? One by one we will select. First we will select this, and we will try to see how we can write this type of letter. Next we will learn to write official letters. So first we begin with this one. Now here, for this one, for this letter, so here we begin with informal, a social letter. And in social letter what we will do is first we will try to make a structure of it, okay? Social letter. Its structure. So how the structure looks like, we will try to check it out here. In the very beginning, when you begin a letter, will come here your address. Whose address? Writer's address. Go to your own address. Then what is the technique of writing address? In the end, here you write down your detail, in the end you write down date. Like for example, today is 20th February. So you will write now here you note down one thing. While writing your address, now how you write address, I will do that example too so that it becomes very easy and clear for you. Address, however, like for example, if I live in Momin Nagar, so I will write here in certain building, I will write here I'll write here Al Akbar. Or even before that, one thing I missed. What I have missed, I will tell you. I have missed the name. First, it begins with your own name. My name is not there. So what will I do is, I will write here first. Yeah. So, here is my name. My name is, for example, XYZ. My name, XYZ. And then where I live in Al Akbar. Which floor or which flat number? Like flat number, if I say 303, and then we write a comma here, and then which floor? I say the third floor. We write third floor, then comma, and then again I will write here like with Jogeshwar Momin Nagar. So I write MOMIN, Momin, NAGER, Momin Nagar. And finally, I live in Jogeshwari and West, and then Mumbai 400102. And this is, now you note down one thing when you are writing the address. While writing address, this all should be in a straight line. All should be in a straight line. Okay, here you can go less or more here and there, but here you should begin every letter of the word should begin in a straight line. In the end, you have to write date. Now I write the date here, and how? 20 February. If I am writing February incomplete in abbreviation, then I will put a dot here. That dot is for abbreviation, and if I have to continue with the year 2026, I have to separate these two with a small comma here. Month, year should be separated with the comma. Month, if it is incomplete, if you write full spelling February, February, no need to put dot. But if you are abbreviating it, then abbreviation mark is compulsory. And here you have to end it. This is how you are going to write the address. The address part is completed. Next part is I will punish that person, okay? Because you have got a very nasty habit of laughing on small issues. You do not see your own faults, but when you find fault in others, immediately you burst out with laughter. So I will teach you a proper lesson, just wait. And here, after this is the address part done, so I will just write down ADDRESS. This is the address part. After address part comes salutation. Now if you are writing to your father or mother, what will you do? You write here. This is called salutation. Salutation means, dear father, dear mother, brother, sister. So this is salutation part. This is salutation will come here, and then you have to write this part is called message. This part will be called as message. Okay, and generally what happens? Chalo, we will continue next time.